Hey folks, welcome back to Life on Beagle Road. It is a frosty 20 degrees outside on this beautiful Thanksgiving day. So I guess it's time I unpack my new tank de-icers. Last winter we got away with heated dog water dishes, but we have a lot more goats than last year. So the chickens will be inheriting the dog water dishes, and we'll get these outside in the goat water. Whew, a little too much turkey. If I had to guess, this tank is more than 75 feet away, but let's see. And we're already stuck. Dang it, it's just like putting up Christmas lights. Hey girls. Oh yeah, that's frozen. Ah, crud. All right, well don't see. Alright, let's try this from the inside. There we go. Stick that out there so no one's chewing on it. There we go. Alright, one tank down, one to go. I think we can safely say that bug light season is over. I ended up one extension cord short, so I'm still hauling a bucket of water to the chickens in the morning, but they're the closest. And I'm sure I can find a great deal on an extension cord tomorrow.
I'm the smoke queen. This is my smoke staff.
Cute. Cool, dude.
See?
Yeah. Should we take this party inside, Emmy?
No.
No? Now you want to stay out here?
Smoke queen.
Oh yeah, that's better. So these two plugged into the same outlet keep tripping the breaker. So apparently this outlet and our kitchen in the basement are all on the same circuit. So I'm gonna try plugging one of these in somewhere else, see if that works. This is classic Life on Beagle Road, folks. Classic. Okay, here's the test. Does this light stay on? Dun dun dun!
Today we already started Christmas decorating just a little bit, but we're gonna finish Christmas decorating. Right, Mommy?
Right. This video actually wasn't supposed to be about how it took me 3 hours to get the tank de-icers hooked up. That is a prime example of why nothing gets done around here and everything is always a mess. But we're not gonna let that stop us from enjoying Thanksgiving evening and starting our Christmas decorating. Right?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Oh, dogs.
Our Christmas decorations are upstairs. They're always kept in a special place up in me and my baby sister's room. Let's go get them. These are how many more days until Christmas chart. The star goes up here, and that's when Christmas Day comes. Some of them fell out. I just put them behind here. Mommy, should I start go getting some Christmas decorations upstairs?
Yep.
Okay. So we have this snowman pillow. It can hang on something. And I think I'm gonna hang it over by the how many days more of Christmas chart. Actually got it. Cute snowman. Some more, Mommy.
Okay, baby.
Hi guys. I'm gonna be hanging the stockings one by one. And now I'm gonna show you them one by one. So Daddy doesn't have jingle bells. That's how Mommy knows this is Daddy's. This is Mommy's. She knew this was hers because it has jingle bells and it looks older than the others. And this is Robert's. This is mine, and this is my little sister's. This is my brother's, and this is me.
If you liked this video, remember to subscribe and click the bell for notifications. Like, comment. If you're interested in the de-icer that I'm using, I'll put the link in the comments. If you can get away with the heated dog water dish, they're a lot less expensive to run, but hey, guess that's the name of the game. And remember that it's now adult onesie season.